Hey everyone, again, I'm Alberto Trejo from Trejo and Son Equipment Corporation in Baldwin, Georgia. Today, I'm gonna explain you how to operate and how to use our 26G John Deere mini excavator. So this is a brand new machine. It is a 2017 machine. It is an enclosed cab with a heater. It's very comfortable, it is a mini excavator. The tracks are about 4 feet wide, and you can go deep up to 10 foot deep. Okay, so this is the cab. It's a regular excavator. It's very similar to the other one, like the 305 Caterpillar that we have available here for rent. But this is a good tip, okay, in the morning. So right now the temperature here is about 26 degrees. So here's the key. So right here we can see heat, okay? So it's very important that we turn the key to this direction first, especially first thing in the morning before we crank it, to make sure that the diesel get warm. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the key to this side, and you're gonna see the light here. Okay, so if you can see the yellow light, that means that the diesel is warming up. So when the light is ready off, the machine is ready to crank. Okay, so now there we go. All right, and if we don't do that, it's gonna be hard to crank, especially when the low temperature. All right, so same thing. This is to move the tracks back and forth. All right, the right side is to move the principal arm, and the left side is to move the second arm and the bucket. Right? It's very simple. Okay, this machine do not have air condition. It's only equipped with heater, low and high. The wiper. Same thing at the normal excavator. This is for the blade, up and down. And hey, it is available here for $280 a day. You have allowed up to 8 hours to use. And we also have the weekly and the monthly rate. So long term you get it, it's more money you save. Okay, remember, you can do it yourself. Your project is our vision. Trejo and Son Equipment in Baldwin, Georgia, next to the City Hall. 833-387-3567, 706-778-4444. Again, my name is Alberto Trejo, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you all.